Hey everybody, welcome back to Serene Bookworks. Today I am sharing this beautiful journal that I made and it features my good buddy Priscilla. She's released the Craftin. It features one of her digi-kits in here. She asked me if I would make a journal based on her digi-kit. And she sent it to me and it was really gorgeous and it inspired me so much. And while I was pulling papers from this, you'll see what happened, but it flew together. It was like meant to be. So I'm really happy with this. It's so pretty. I love it. And the kit that she sent me is called the White Witch. And that is one of the images from the kit. And I just cut that out and I layered it onto all of this beautiful there's book pages, lace, all kinds of stuff there that I layered it on. There's a stick there that is tied on with some sari silk that you can take off. And there's the spine. I think it's 2.5 inches for the spine. And here's the back. It's a little bit bigger than usual. It's 9 and it's a little over 6. So there's that, and it's tied with some seam binding that I've distressed. And this beautiful journal has a name, and her name is Isabelle. And the reason why is, as I said, I was pulling papers, and this first paper that I pulled out, let's see if we can see right there. There's the name Isabelle, and I thought that was so cute. And then when I was pulling extra papers, I didn't even realize that I had pulled this out, but her name is on there as well. And this is an old book page. So I thought, well, that's just meant to be, isn't it? And this is one of the cards that comes in Priscilla's kit. Little journal card there. And so I just imagined that Isabelle lives in a little cabin by the lake, and there's some woods behind her house. So she loves to watch nature, and I did all of this in colors of what she would find in nature. Greens and blues, browns. This is a page from Priscilla's kit. It's a little more vibrant. When you first print them out, I coffee dyed mine. I wanted this to have sort of an older feel to it. Let me get in frame here. And I sewed some material on here. And there's just some fun things here. There's something in there. Oh, there's some little butterflies in there. And I was so inspired by the kit to do a lot of collaging in here, and I'm so happy with how it turned out. And there's, look at that. So pretty. And this is some like vinyl that I got from April, and the lady had drawn something on it, so I turned it into a pocket. And there's some more collaging. There's a charm, a little sun here, some birds. There's a little pocket here. This, I believe, is from Belle. This is some homemade paper. Sorry about the dog. There's another one of her gorgeous pages. It's one of my favorites, I think. Look at that. So pretty. So pretty. Get back here. There we go. There's the other side there. Really gorgeous. Here's some more of that handmade natural paper. And that's like a little bookmark or something there that you can use. And this is from April. And this is an example of the kit when it's not coffee dyed. So you can see how vibrant those colors are. Really pretty. And there's some collaging there. The first few pages that I printed, I was running out of ink, but instead of throwing them away, I just cut those little pages up and made some collages out of them. There's another charm on that page. And here's a pocket. And out of the lace, there's another pocket there. There's just some fun little things here. There's another page from her kit. And this I just folded down to make a sort of a little pocket. And there's another card. This is a paper clip here. And I just sewed a pocket onto that side. Some more collaging here. That is really pretty. Love it, Priscilla. There's some more fun things, and there's an envelope made out of a book page. And I just found little things and I thought, you know, maybe she would have them in her book, this Isabelle. And so I just put things here and there that I thought she might have. These are some flowers that G and I gathered on a walk one day. There's some more of the kit. Oh, and thank you, April, for the green. I told April I can never find green lace. This I just found while we were out on our walk too, and I didn't know, I have no idea what it is, but I sewed it in here because I thought maybe Isabelle would have it. And that's just some pieces and parts that I had left over. Same with these. There's a few of these scattered here and there throughout the book. That's more of that vinyl, not vinyl, it's plastic that the lady drew on. There's some more. It was a this was a panel, and I believe I got it from Shayna, so I just cut out the birds from that panel. This is a calendar page. Some graphic 45. That's another really pretty page there. And my ring is stuck. There we go. That's just, again, some pieces that I had, and I just made a pocket out of them. There's some more of her printables. Look at that cool looking dude. I love him. Very pretty. And that one's coffee dyed, so he is a little more vibrant if you don't coffee dye him afterwards. That's really, really a pretty page here. This is the middle of the second signature. There's 3. Thank you, Shayna. Oh, they're so cute. That can be a little tuck if you'd like. There's a really pretty, I can't tell if it's me or if there's a shadow. Here's the other side of that graphic 45. Thank you again, Shayna. There's another card. There's a card here on a paper clip. There's the other side of the paper clip. This was part of the page that printed kind of strange because I was running out of ink. But I just collaged it onto this whole page about butterflies and moths. I thought that Isabelle would do that. There's some more of the page here. 7 gypsies. That's really pretty. Isn't that gorgeous? So pretty. And here is a little frame. I picked these frames up at a thrift store, and that is a leaf and a flower that, again, G and I picked up one day when we were on a walk. And this is an envelope from Shayna, and that is a little mushroom that we found. Not poisonous, but not edible. So he's tucked in there. This is the 3rd signature. There's another picture of that cool owl. I just love that. And there's the picture that you saw in the front. There's some more collaging. There's a little pocket back here. There's a pocket here with a little mini that I tucked in there. And there's a little junkie tag. And this is, again, another paper clip back here. Isn't that pretty? I love that green. This is a, you know, you used to pick them up when you got your pictures from the drugstore. And it's an envelope, but you can fold it all out too. And that's another one of P's journaling cards. And you can journal inside that envelope as well. And there's just a fun little thing about dragonflies. This is a piece of paper that I've had forever. So I tied that on. There's another pocket here. This is from Shayna as well. Love it. This is the middle of the last signature. Just love. This is some sari silk. And here's another piece of coffee dyed digi-kit. Some collaging. Removable tag. Really pretty. I don't know if you can tell in that light, but it's an antiqued picture of a lady there. There's a little charm. There's another card here. And there's just a fun little card here. And this card, I believe, is from Angie, and it's bugs you want to watch out for in the forest that you don't want on your trees. There's the last of that panel with the birds. This is some flowers that we collected, and this is plastic. It's a piece of plastic from something or another, and it's, you know, bubbly shaped. So I glued it down and put some sari silk around it. Made it a little window card. Thought that was really cute. This is a page of the kit, but I shrunk it down to make pockets. So that's another cool way that you can use some of these images, is to shrink them down and make pockets or journaling cards out of them. This is a picture of a famous painting that I don't recall right off the top of my head right now. There's a little charm here. Some more little collage things here. Some more of the kit. I love that. There's a little tiny envelope here. There's another card from the kit. And this is the back of the book. I thought that maybe she would collect these beautiful things, Miss Isabelle would. And there we go. That is Isabelle, the White Witch. P, thank you so much for that digital kit. It was so inspiring to me, and I really hope that you like what I did with it. I love it. I love it a lot. So I hope everybody else does too. And this will be in my Etsy shop. And everybody have a great weekend. We will talk to you later. Bye.